In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Loom Video Share Link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can share any Loom recording quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head to Loom. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your For You or home page. This is the central dashboard where Loom highlights your recent activity and recordings. If you don't immediately see the video you're thinking of, don't worry. We're about to jump to the place where all your videos live. The key here is simply to start from Loom's main area after signing in so the navigation is available across the top. Next, click Library. The library is your personal hub of recordings, and it usually appears in the main navigation bar. Inside, you'll see your videos organized by date, title, or folders. If you have a lot of content, you can scroll, sort, or use the search field to find what you need faster. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace if you're part of multiple teams. Your video will be in the workspace where it was recorded or saved. Now, choose the video you want to share and click the three dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. You'll typically find these dots on the right side of each video row or card, or when you hover over the thumbnail. This menu is where Loom groups common actions like rename, move, delete, and of course sharing. If you accidentally open the video page instead, that's fine, you'll still see sharing options there, but the three-dot menu is the quickest route from the library view. From that menu, click Share. This opens Loom's sharing panel, which centralizes everything related to getting your video in front of others. The panel is designed to be simple. You'll see options for inviting people, embedding, and most importantly, the direct link to the video. Keep your focus on the main share area so you can grab the link without getting sidetracked. Finally, look for the copy link option below and click it. The moment you do, Loom places the video URL on your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere with Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. A quick pro tip, open a new browser tab, paste the link, and make sure it loads the correct recording. If someone can't view it, it's usually due to workspace or permission restrictions on their end. And that's it, you've found and copied your Loom video share link ready to send.